Good day, everyone. Welcome to Science Access. So today we'll be talking about the ABC in naming of organic chemistry. That is, let me just say baby steps on how you can be able to name organic compounds. For example, you hear organic compound like methane, ethane. How can you name them? Just the simple basic, and I'll be starting from the first 10, let's say the first 10 compounds, like from 1 to 10. So first, I'll just write something first. I'll write the numbers 1, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 5. Let me do it 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So first, anywhere you see 1 in an organic compound, like there's something called prefix. There's something called prefix and suffix. Let me write it here. In the organic compound, there's something called prefix. There's something called suffix also. The prefix is determined by the number of carbons, while the suffix is determined by the functional group. Just follow me. I'll make it as easy as possible now. Now, let's talk about the prefix now. Look at all this. This number determines the number of carbon atoms in the compound. So, for example, now, for a compound having just 1 carbon atom, the suffix is meth. The prefix is meth for 1, right? Then for 2, the prefix is F. For 3, prop. 4, boot. 5, pent. 6, hex. 7, hept. 8, oct. 9, non. Y for 10 is deck. So this is just basically the ABC. Like for example now, anywhere you see a compound that has maybe 8 carbons, you know that is definitely going to be the prefix is oct. Then now to complete the number, like to complete the name, something we have the suffix. Now the suffix depends on the functional group. And I think there was a video where we talked about single bond, double bond, and triple bond. For example now, if the compound is having a single bond, well, like, if it's a single bond, the suffix will be ane, ane. If it is a double bond, the suffix will be in, ene. While if it is a triple bond, the suffix will be wine, yine. Sorry, yine. Let's say this one for single bond, this one is for double bond, and this one is for triple bond. So now let's name. We'll use this middle part now to name compounds. If you want to say you want to name, for example, now this compound. Look at this compound now. It's, how many carbons does it have? It has 3 carbons. And is it single bond or double bond? It is single bond. So if you want to name this compound now, having 3 carbon, 3 carbon is, what is the prefix for 3 carbon? Prop. So you bring this prop. Then is it single bond or double bond? It is single bond. What is the suffix for double bond? Ane. So this compound now you call it propane. That's how we name it, propane. So it's the same thing for all of them. If you want to name any compound containing single bond, if it's 1 carbon atom, it will be methane. The second one will be, it will follow this homologous series. The second one will be ethane. Third one, that is for the single bond family. That is, they are called the alkanes. Organic compound containing single bond are called alkanes. So if you want to name them, it will be from methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, and decane. That is like 1 to 10 for the alkanes. That's for the ones containing single bond. Now, if it is the one for the ones containing double bond, they are called the alkenes. Look, let me write it. Alkenes. for example. So if you want to name an organic compound containing maybe it's double bond, for example, now let's look at this. Let's remove this one. How many carbons are here? Two, right? Two is what? Eight. And you write the eight. And look at the functional group, it is double bond. Double bond is what? In. They are called alkenes. So this will be eight in. Look at it, eight in. So also if you want to name like any alkene containing like any compound containing double bond, from the beginning you start methane, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, heptene, octene, nonene, and decene. For that, then for the ones containing triple bond, let me give let me just say for this time around, let's say it contains triple bond. First, how many carbon atoms are here? You count it one, two, three, four. For example, and you know that four carbon atom is what? Both. Let's say you come here, you write both. Then how many does it contain triple bond? Yes. And triple bond is what? Yin. They are called alkenes. They are called alkenes. That is the general name. So this will not be YNE. This will not be boot. Nyan. So all the same, if you want to follow the same homologous series, if you want to name compounds containing triple bond, maybe from although the first member of double bond and triple bond compounds are usually the first member is et. For single bond compound, the first member is met. That is methane. But for double bond and triple bond, the first member is usually start from et. Let's say you have ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, heptene, or yin, that's for seven, right? Octane, nonene, anyone, then decine or something. So that's just the basic ABC on how to name organic compound. So if you say name an organic compound that has maybe seven carbon and has one single bond, or it is in an alkyl formula, what should you call it? To be heptane. You say name an organic compound that has 10 carbons and contains triple bond. What will it be? 10 is what? Dec. Triple bond is what? Yang. That be dec yang. So the same name an organic compound containing maybe 5 carbons and contains double bond. Double bond is what? In. E-N-E. So it will be 5 is what? Pent. It will be pent. In. So I advise you to practice more on this. Let's practice more on this. Thank you.